In this tutorial, we'll learn how to put a Territory Helper icon on your desktop or phone. Let's begin by opening Google, either by saying Territory Helper or by typing in Territory Helper in your screen. It should open to this window with Territory Helper at the top. Click on it, which will bring up the sign-in screen. In this screen, type in your email address that you gave to the Territory servant, and then type in your given password. Once you've done that, click on the Login button. That will bring up your Territory Helper screen. Now, in order to put the Territory Helper login icon on your home screen, what we need to do is go to the top right corner of the page and click on the three buttons there. When you do, you'll see the sixth item down saying Add to Home Screen. Click on that. This will process the information and put the screen on your home page. Now you can rename it whatever you'd like. I'm just going to put in Territory and click Add. And the bottom screen says Territory's been added. Now, go out of that page, and you'll see the green one, that's Territory Helper. You can place that wherever you want. Now, when you click on this, it'll automatically bring up your Territory Helper screen. That's pretty much all there is to it. Hope you enjoy this.